at yesterday again here on Weather Center Live. And here it is, that storm as it was moving through. And when it was going through, we saw that very heavy rain. We're looking at live cameras. What we do here on Weather Center Live, we follow these storms. When it's heading to a city with we have cameras, we'll show it to you for sure. And some pretty large hail, anywhere from around 2 inches to more than 2 inches. Look at this in Fitchburg there around Madison. 1.75 inches to 2.2 in diameter, Jen.
So we go from hail to triple-digit heat, of course, and we're looking at McAllen, Texas once again today. Your temperature a little bit cooler so far than yesterday, where you actually set a record of 104 degrees. Right now, 101, but it feels like 106. McAllen, I think you're a beautiful-looking city. I like to see the streets lined. I see the trees there. And if you think you were alone with the heat problem, in Houston, the first 18 days of September were the second warmest at Hobby Airport. So all of Texas is sizzling, and we do know Oklahoma is also dealing with the heat as well. So we look right now, Oklahoma, Tulsa, as well as areas including Ardmore. If you're in that red, that's the heat advisory, and that means it's going to be really warm as we go through today, and even through tomorrow. It's going to feel like at times 105, 110 possibly. So be really careful out there and limit your time outdoors. I think when you get this far into the season, a lot of people get a little too kind of comfortable and are really aware of the heat threat. Right now, we have those temperatures in the 90s, 96 degrees in Dallas. You've got a dew point of 65. You can see that flow coming through. And then for Del Rio, your dew point of 69, but there are certainly some 70s. And when you combine the 70s with the warm temperatures, it feels like 106 degrees in Corpus Christi, 107 in Houston, and almost 100 in Oklahoma City. So certainly dangerous heat out there. We look for tomorrow. It's still going to be warm. Of course, expected to be about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the actual temperature that we're forecasting for Wednesday, as well as into Thursday. You can blame that on the humidity. We look for Dallas. We do know you're going to be above average as we go through the next several days. And by the weekend, Sunday, perfectly normal. We're forecasting a high of 87 degrees. That's where you should be for this time of the year. And for the southeast, you're also going to be warm, and the humidity has also come up quite a bit across the southeast, Chris.
And we're just a couple days away from fall, if you can believe it, after looking at those temperatures. Might be wondering, well, where are the fall temperatures? We're going to talk with Dan Leonard. He's a medium and long range forecasting specialist and get his thoughts on a potential cool down and how long we'll have to wait before that cool weather hangs around for a while. But let's take a look at Copper Mountain, Colorado. Live look, color already starting to pop, 59 degrees.